Anyway, thanks for watching. Really hope this has been some use to you, really. We know these machines, without any good training, really can be quite overwhelming, the amount of adjustments, understanding what you need to do, and I really hope that if you just take your time and have a look for all those little bit of videos that we've put together, that you'll understand how it works, what you're trying to do. It's all about what goes on in that valley and controlling the amount of time. So, hope it's been of some good use to you. You can get hold of us really all the usual ways. We're on social media. You can just email us through the website. The phone number's there. We do like to talk to people rather than any other way. And just keep following us. We keep updating the information every time we learn something new. And don't be afraid to pick up the phone. And hopefully we'll be in touch if you need us. Thanks ever so much.